Welcome back to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial video. And in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can delete all your liked videos on TikTok. So it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. Now, to unlike all of your liked videos or to delete all of them, there is no option in TikTok. You just have to do it manually like this. Come into your TikTok profile at the bottom by clicking on profile, and you can see the heart icon. Click on it and all your liked video is going to be shown over here. You can go through each and every one of them individually and start unliking them like this. This is one method, but let's say you don't want to do that because you have tons of videos and it's going to take you forever to unlike all of them. Well, in that case you need to do this. You need to report this as a problem to TikTok and they'll help you fix it. So how you do that is, once you're in your TikTok profile, you want to click on the three line at the top right. Once you click on the three line, you want to click on the last option, settings and privacy. And under settings and privacy, scroll a bit down until you see this option called report a problem. Once you see it, click on it, because now we are going to report this as a problem. Once this is loading for a bit, scroll a bit down and you can see this option called follow, likes, comment, favorites. You want to click on this and it's going to take you over here. And once you're over here, what you want to do is click on this option called likes at the bottom. Once you click on it, what you want to do is show over here where it says others. Once you click on others, it's going to take you over here. Now, once you're over here at the bottom, you can see this option called no, where it says is your problem resolved. So you want to click on no. And let's wait for some time. After you do that, click on where it says need more help. Once you click on need more help, it's going to take you to the page from where you guys can directly contact TikTok or like TikTok staff. And over here you want to write this: I want to unlike all my TikTok videos at once. Kindly assist me in doing that. Thanks. If you write that and click on submit at the bottom, TikTok staff will view your problem and they'll help you fix it. Because to unlike all the videos which you have liked on TikTok, the only method is to contact TikTok staff and they have to do it from their side internally, alright? There's no other way. But yeah, so that's how you guys can unlike all your liked videos on TikTok. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I will see you guys next time.